Good afternoon, my friends. I find a little prop for us for the helicopter. It is a 3-blade, so it came from a model, to 172 model, plastic aircraft. So I think this will work nice here on top there, and the blades is perfectly shaped like it should. So all I need to do is to cut off that point there and make a little hole where that motor shaft can fit in very snug. So let me do that quickly for us if I can, and we can see what we can, if it will work. Okay guys, I hope you can see. So what I'm going to do now is, and this is really a little critical operation, you can see the needle. So I'm going to make it hot now. Let's just see that you are in the picture. Okay, it's red hot. And let's press it in nice in the center. As long as this is okay, so I need to do it a couple of times. Let's try again. It becomes cool very fast. Maybe I must heat up the pliers as well. Okay, I'll continue a bit in the same hole the whole time until I'm happy. I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I've got a kind of a hole there. Let's see if it fits on the helicopter. Okay, this is really delicate. I hope you can see. It seems if it is on. Let me inspect it quickly. Okay guys, our heli is ready. I cleaned the blades a little bit for maximum lift, as well as the body here and there, and there's our prop. And I just top up the battery a little bit because we used some power yesterday. And then I'm going to secure the battery there underneath, and then we can test it just now. Hold on my friends, I will be back. Okay guys, here comes the maiden flight after 7 years, and with a few modifications, back propeller and battery, and it might be a disaster. Make yourself ready for a brace. Let's see what happened. 1, 2, 3. It's soon to dry. It landed in a tree, guys. I need to get it out there, so it was not a success. Okay guys, look in the center of the screen.
you will see the lights flickering. So it's very high up in the tree, and let's hope it does not rain. The battery can drain, that's no problem, so as long as the electronics didn't got yet wet while there's power. I will only try and get it out tomorrow. Can you see the lights? And that was what I was afraid of wind. Okay, I'll bring you back if I could manage to retrieve it. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Hello my friends, okay, it's now the next day and here is the crash report. So for the first crash, where it take off and immediately turn right into the washing line, what happened is this trim was fully to the right. I neglected to set it center. It was fully to the right because I've cleaned the radio, and the moment it take off, it want to turn right, and it was so sudden that it just go immediately right, and before I could do anything, it is into the washing line. Okay, then I corrected that, and then I took off a second time, and it went up well, and then the moment it get the height of my workshop, the wind catch it and blow it away from me, and it get maximum lift in a very short time due to some wind, and it end up in the tree. So I managed to get it off, and it's all that I can find today that is wrong is my newly made or attached propeller at the back is gone. So I'll have to make a new one or get a new one. But let's test the helicopter. I'm sure it will still work fine. So I'm going to put it on. Okay, all the lights is flickering, as you can see. I'm going to put on the radio, and then that normal full forward and back, and now it's ready to run. I will just hold it here with my hand, and let's spin it up. It's still fine. I have the left and the right. Okay, everything is fine, guys. Luckily, I'm very lucky. Just need the propeller. Actually, it can fly now. I can't just turn it around. Oh, I can turn around, but I can't go forward and backwards. That's all. But I'm not gonna fly because I've made a mistake. I made the mistake to fly it in a little bit of breeze, and it was heavier than I thought. What I could feel between the buildings, and now there's a heavy storm on its way to the Cape Town, like in a category 6 on Tuesday, on Monday actually. Tomorrow rain and wind, strong winds, and then up to 45 knots. Monday up to 50 knots, and category 6 storm. So we are in for a ride, my friends. So I'll definitely not gonna fly it again before it is totally wind still. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the crash sites, and it seems if we can have a second attempt sometime. Righto, see you on the next one. Bye bye. I've got a nice project, by the way, for the next one. Okay, bye bye.